Welcome to our presentation concerning the brackish groundwater in the Cape York region. The Cape York region is located in the north of Queensland, at the tip of the Cape York Peninsula. According to the 2016 National Census, conducted by the Australian Bureau of Statistics, Cape York had a population of 7,513 people, 52% of which were of Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander heritage.
The bulk water that Cape York communities need access to in order to have safe drinking water is currently undrinkable due to the high levels of salinity. Drinking brackish water is an unsuitable form of hydration as it often leads to dehydration as the human body excretes more bodily fluid than has been ingested. The high levels of salinity in bore water also poses a large detriment to the local flora and fauna in Cape York, as it may ruin fertile soil and kill plants, thereby disrupting the local ecosystem, which may have an effect on the agriculture industry in Cape York. So what are the needs and wants? The needs of the Cape York communities are for a reliable method of accessing safe drinking water, whereas one is to seek a method to desalinate the groundwater they are currently extracting.
There were many possible solutions brainstormed, all of which could help desalinate the brackish groundwater. Each of the solutions was graded against a performance criteria, which took into considerations factors such as costs, feasibility, and the environmental and social impacts. This process allowed us to outline which solution would best solve the client's needs. Some of the notable solutions include forward and reverse osmosis, mechanical and thermal vapor compression distillation, hydrodynamic separation, and electrodialysis.
The chosen solution for our project was the process of electrodialysis. Electrodialysis is used to filter the salty drinking water throughout the Cape York region. Electrodialysis was deemed to be the most effective solution according to the multi-criteria decision analysis scheme. The electrochemical process utilizes a voltage potential to separate ions within the solution. For example, the salt in the water constructed of sodium chloride will be separated into its ions. Inside an electrodialysis machine, there are two oppositely charged beams. The positive ions will be attracted to the anode, which is negatively charged, and the negative ions will be brought towards the positively charged cathode. The treated solution undergoes this identical process several times, so the final solution is free of compounds, contributing to the poor water content.
There are several prominent advantages associated with electrodialysis. Firstly, the initial cost is around $100,000, and the management cost for each year is $15,000. Both costs are the lowest compared with other options. Furthermore, it has low energy consumption, so that operating cost is also economical. Secondly, it is capable of achieving a high water recovery rate, which means more fresh water can be produced with equal input of raw water. In addition, the main component of this technique, which is membrane, has relatively long design life, and little fouring or scaling would form on the membrane. Moreover, the equipment can still operate even in maintenance with no reduction of treated water, so that the water supply can always be secured.
Thirdly, using electrodialysis as your water purification method in the Cape York region will ensure community satisfaction remains high due to the following reasons. The process of electrodialysis creates minimal noise pollution. Hence, the plant will be able to be located within close proximity to communities without any negative trade-offs. This will benefit the community in two aspects. Firstly, the community will have fast and reliable access to potable water due to the close proximity of the electrodialysis plant. And secondly, the plant will not disrupt the everyday lives of the community members due to the low noise pollution emitted by the process of electrodialysis. Another benefit of choosing an electrodialysis plant as your method of water purification is the minimal maintenance required to run the plant. Therefore, your maintenance costs will be much lower than any other purification option on the market. It is for these reasons that an electrodialysis water purification plant will greatly benefit your community and the needs of the community members.
To conclude, electrodialysis was found to be the most effective solution at meeting the client's needs.